So I created some changes to my code base, and Gemini delivered. But there was one error. I was just very, very angry about that because there was still something wrong. So I told that to Gemini in very clear words. And Gemini, yeah, explained what was the bug and then delivered the correct code. But now the context has this very not nice interaction with Gemini and can lead it astray. So what I'm doing here is taking this code. I already tested it, so I'm taking this one file, this image slider index, and I'm putting it here. And I do the same with the schema with the client file, and I'm doing I'm putting it here. There we go. And there you go. Yeah, and now I can delete this and just continue with a new question. All right, let's now focus on the footer. That's basically it.